How to fix something went wrong, please try again later on Reddit. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And also there are 4 steps. Once you follow all the 4 steps, most probably your problem should be fixed. So please watch the video till the end. Now let's head to the video. First you open your phone and here you can put your phone on flight mode and then remove it. Just in case if there is some glitch, put it on flight mode and then remove it. Once you do that, first step is done. Second, go on Chrome and just search speed net. Once you check your speed, check your internet speed. Here it is checking your internet speed so that you have a better idea is your internet working slow or no. So my internet is working pretty much if it's above 5 then your internet is working fine. So then you go back, you also search is Reddit down. Here you'll find an option of down detector or Reddit status. Click on Reddit status. So today it is operational, it's working completely fine, so that's not an issue. So even if now your app is showing something is wrong, please fix it, you have to go and delete the app. Click on app info, click on uninstall and then reinstall the app. That way it will offload the app completely and any glitches or bugs that is causing any of this will get fixed. Make sure to uninstall it and reinstall it. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.